Hi friends, welcome to CNR English Academy. இன்னைக்கு வீடியோவில் TET paper 1 and 2 and SGTல 7th standard Englishல second unitோட important Q&A பார்க்குறோம். Already 1 to 50 Q&A வந்து அப்லோட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். பார்க்காதவங்க டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனில் லிங்க் இருக்கும், பார்த்து யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஓகே, on that fine note, move on to the topic. First one, 7th standardல இருக்கக்கூடிய second term ஃபுல்லாக கவர் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். The Wind on Haunted Hill and then the listener's poem and then supplementary. Okay, first one, what is the primary setting of the story The Wind on Haunted Hill? Answer, Haunted Hill. What does the protagonist decide to visit the haunted hill? Answer, to investigate mysterious occurrences. Next one, what is the main source of suspense in the story? Answer, strange noises coming from the hill. Next one, how does the protagonist feel when they first arrive at the hill? Answer, nervous. Next one, what role does the wind play in the story? Answer, suspense. Next one, how does the story resolve? Answer, the protagonist discovers that the noises were caused by natural elements. Next one, what lesson can be learned from The Wind on Haunted Hill? Answer, sometimes our fears are greater than the actual danger. Next one, what is the primary setting of the story? Answer, a hill. Next one, who is the protagonist of the story? Answer, a traveler. Next one, what causes the eerie atmosphere on the hill? ஈரி அப்படின்னா வினோதமான அப்படின்ற பொருள் வரும். ஆன்சர், ஹவுலிங் விண்ட். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், ஹவு டஸ் த ப்ரொட்டகானிஸ்ட் ரியாக்ட் டு த நாய்ஸஸ்? ஆன்சர், ஹீ ரியாக்ட் வித் ஃபியர். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், வாட் இஸ் டிஸ்கவர்ட் அட் தி எண்ட் ஆஃப் த ஸ்டோரி? ஆன்சர், எ நேச்சுரல் எக்ஸ்பிளனேஷன் ஃபார் த நாய்ஸஸ். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், what does the wind symbolize in the story? Answer, danger. Next one, how does the protagonist feel after the visit? Answer, relieved. Next one, what action does the protagonist take during the story? Answer, searches for clues. Next one, what does the protagonist find most unsettling? Answer, the wind's sound. Next one, what lesson is learned from the story? Answer, fear can be misleading. அதாவது misleading அப்படின்னு சொல்லும்போது தவறான வழிநடத்துதல். அடுத்து, what is the protagonist initial goal in visiting the hill? Answer, to explore. Next one, what does the protagonist find on the hill? Answer, abandoned items. Next one, what is the most unsettling feature of the wind? Answer, its sound. Next one, who or what is initially suspected of causing the strange occurrences? Answer, ghosts. Next one, how does the protagonist confirm the sources of the noises? Answer, by investigating carefully. Next one, what emotion primarily drives the protagonist's actions? Answer, curiosity. Next one, what does the protagonist discover about the wind? Answer, it's a normal weather pattern. Next one, how does the story setting contribute to its mood? Answer, it creates tension. Next one, what does the protagonist decide to do after the investigation? Answer, return home. Next one, what is the ultimate revelation about the noises? Answer, they are due to natural wind patterns. Next one, what time of day does the protagonist visit the hill? Answer, midnight. Next one, how does the protagonist feel when they first hear the wind? Answer, scared. Next one, what action does the protagonist take to investigate the noises? Answer, follows the sound. Next one, what is the protagonist's main challenge during the investigation? Answer, managing fear. Next one, what does the protagonist find to be the most surprising? Answer, the source of the sound. Next one, what does the protagonist ultimately feel about the adventure? Answer, enlightened. Next one, what element of the story is most symbolic? Answer, the wind's sound. Next one. What is the protagonist's view of the hill change by the end? Answer. It becomes less frightening. Next one. What is the protagonist used to overcome their fear? Answer. Knowledge. Next one. What lesson is highlighted through the protagonist experience? Answer. Fear can destroy reality. Next one. இந்த கொஸ்டின்ல இருந்து த லிசனர்ஸ் அப்படின்ற போயம்ல இருந்து கொஸ்டின்ஸ் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகுது. ஓகே, வாட் இஸ் த செட்டிங் ஆஃப் த போயம்? த லிசனர்ஸ். ஆன்சர். எ டிசர்டட் ஹவுஸ். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன். ஹூ இஸ் த மெயின் கேரக்டர் இன் த போயம்? ஆன்சர். எ ட்ராவலர். ஸோ ஆப்வியஸ்லி பார்த்திங்கன்னா ஒரு யூனிட்டில் ஒரு மைய கருத்து இருக்கும் இல்லைங்களா? ப்ரோஸு, போயம் அண்ட் சப்ளிமெண்ட்ரியில் அது நமக்கு பிரதிபலிக்கும். இங்கேயும் பார்த்திங்கன்னா ட்ராவலர் தான் வந்து மையப்படுத்தியிருப்பாங்க இந்த போயம்லேயுமே. ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன். வாட் டஸ் த ட்ராவலர் டூ வென் ஹி அரைவ்ஸ் அட் தி ஹவுஸ்? ஆன்சர். ஹி நாக்ஸ் ஆன் தி டோர். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன். ஹவு டஸ் த ட்ராவலர் ஃபீல் வென் நோ ஒன் ஆன்சர் த டோர்? ஆன்சர். கன்ஃபியூஸ்ட். Next one. What do the listeners in the poem do? Answer. They remain silent. Next one. How does the traveler know that someone is inside the house? Answer. He feels a presence. Next one. What is the atmosphere of the poem? The listeners. Answer. Mysterious. Next one. How does the poem end? Answer. The traveler leaves. Next one. What is the primary theme of the poem? The listeners. Answer. Mystery. இந்த கொஸ்டின்ல இருந்து இந்த லிசனர்ஸ் அப்படின்ற போயமில் இருக்கக்கூடிய போயட்டிக் டிவைஸ் ஆர் ஃபிகர் ஆஃப் ஸ்பீச் பார்க்குறோம். ஆல்ரெடி எதெல்லாம் வந்து முக்கியமான ஃபிகர்ஸ் ஆஃப் ஸ்பீச்சு, அதோட டெஃபினேஷன்ஸ்லாம் என்ன அப்படின்றத ஆல்ரெடி பார்த்துருக்கோம். பார்க்காதவங்க டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனில் லிங்க் இருக்கும், பார்த்து யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஓகே. What literary device is prominently used in the poem The Listeners? Answer. Personification. Next one. Tell them I came and no one answered. Personification. Next one. And his horse in the silence champed the grasses. Answer. Imagery. Next one. Is there anybody there? Said the traveler. Answer. Repetition. Next one. And the white moon in the sky. Answer. Alliteration. Next one. And he went by the garden and the gate. Answer. Symbolism. Next one. For he suddenly smote on the door, I even louder and lifted his head. Answer. Enjambment. Next one. But no one descended to the traveler. Answer. Personification. 105ல இருந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா த ரெட் ஹெட்டட் லீக் அப்படின்ற சப்ளிமெண்ட்ரி பார்ட் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகுது. ஓகே. ஹூ இஸ் த ப்ரோட்டகனிஸ்ட் ஆஃப் த ஸ்டோரி? த ரெட் ஹெட்டட் லீக். ஆன்சர். ஷெர்லாக் ஹால்ம்ஸ். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன். வாட் இஸ் வில்சன்ஸ் அன்யூஷுவல் ஜாப் இன் த ரெட் ஹெட்டட் லீக்? ஆன்சர். கிளர்க். Next one. Why does Wilson join the Red Headed League? Answer. To earn extra money. Next one. What is the primary motive behind the creation of the Red Headed League? Answer. To disguise a criminal's real intentions. Next one. What suspicious activity does Sherlock Holmes investigate in the Red Headed League? Answer. A fake employment scheme. Next one. Who is the mastermind behind the scheme in the Red Headed League? Answer. John Clay. Next one. What discovery does Holmes make about the purpose of the Red Headed League? Answer. It was a cover for a robbery. Next one. How does Sherlock Holmes uncover the truth about the Red Headed League? Answer. By following Wilson's assistant. Next one. What is found in the basement of Jabez Wilson's shop? Answer. A tunnel leading to a bank. Next one. How does the story conclude? Answer. Sherlock Holmes solves the case and arrests the criminals. Next one. How does Jabez Wilson describe the job he gets from the Red Headed League? Answer. Boring but easy. Next one. Why is Wilson's assistant Vincent Spaulding interested in the Red Headed League? Answer. To keep an eye on his, that is Wilson's business. Next one. What does Sherlock Holmes notice about the League's advertisements? Answer. They are inconsistent. Next one. How does Holmes verify Vincent's suspicious behavior? Answer, by following him. Next one, what is the main reason behind the Red-Headed League's abrupt dissolution? Answer, a fraudulent scheme revealed. Next one, what is John Clay's occupation in adding to being a criminal mastermind? Answer, a chemist. Next one, what does Sherlock Holmes use to reveal the truth about the Red-Headed League? Answer, logical reasoning. Next one, how does Holmes' investigation lead to the discovery of the hidden tunnel? Answer, through a clue in Spaulding's behavior. Next one, what was the real intention behind the creation of the Red-Headed League? Answer, to serve as a front for a criminal operation. Next one, how does the story demonstrate Sherlock Holmes' skills as a detective? Answer, by his ability to solve complex cases. Next one, why is the location of the Red-Headed League's office significant? Answer, it is near the bank being targeted. Next one, what role does Dr. Watson play in the story? Answer, he assists Sherlock Holmes. Next one, how does Sherlock Holmes' approach to solving the case differ from traditional methods? Answer, he uses unconventional and creative thinking. Next one, what is revealed about Vincent Spaulding's background? Answer, he has a history of crime. Next one, how does Jabez Wilson's ignorance of the scheme affect the plot? Answer, it creates a false sense of security. Next one, what does Jabez Wilson's assistant do after the Red-Headed League is dissolved? Answer, he disappears. Next one, what unusual feature of the Red-Headed League's office raises Holmes' suspicions? Answer, its location. Next one, how does Jabez Wilson describe his initial reaction to the Red-Headed League? Answer, he was enthusiastic. Next one, what key clue does Holmes find that leads him to investigate further? Answer, Spaulding's absences. Next one, how does Sherlock Holmes confirm the purpose of the Red-Headed League? Answer, by investigating the office. Next one, what is the role of the basement in the story? Answer, robbery hideout. Next one, how does Wilson describe Vincent Spaulding's interest in the Red-Headed League? Answer, genuine interest. Next one, what detail about the job at the Red-Headed League is emphasized by Wilson? Answer, it was simple. Next one, how does Sherlock Holmes notice about the Spaulding's activities? Answer, they were frequent. Last one, how does the story conclude with regards to the criminals? Answer, they were arrested. ஸோ இந்த கொஸ்டினோட 7th ஸ்டாண்டர்டில் இருக்கக்கூடிய செகண்ட் டேர்ம் லைன் பை லைன் Q&A இங்கே முடியுது. இதில் உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது டவுட்ஸ் இருந்ததுன்னு சொன்னால் வழக்கம் போல் உங்களோட கமெண்ட் செக்ஷனில் சொல்லுங்கள். அப் டு திஸ் ஐ கன்க்ளூட். இதே மாதிரி ஒரு நல்ல வீடியோவில் உங்களை நான் மீட் பண்ணுறேன். தேங்க்யூ ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ். தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் வாட்சிங்.